Look up! Something's ticking in the sky. Let's soar into Ansh and the cloud that ticked, where dreams and gears spin the weather wild. Most clouds drift, but this one clicked. Ansh was tracing stars in the dirt when his compass spun wildly. Not north, but straight up. Above him floated a cloud puffing steam and moonlight, its edges stitched with golden thread, and tiny gears spinning like sleepy fireflies. "Ah!" Ansh whispered. "A ticking cloud!" He scrambled up a tree, heart thumping, and leapt, poof, right into the soft humming fluff. A hidden hatch whirred open beneath his feet. Inside, a world of curious clockwork, levers shaped like lightning bolts, gears powered by giggles, pipes whispering lullabies to the breeze. A glowing dial read Wonder Level 79. "Let's fix that," Ansh grinned. He placed his journal on the dream gear. It shimmered, reading his doodles of rainbow slides, tickle storms, and a sky shaped like a hug. Click! Clack! Ding! The cloud whirred to life, spinning in dreamy circles. It released soft snowflakes shaped like feathers and warm breezes that smelled like marshmallow tea. Through a crystal porthole, Ansh watched the world below. Birds did loop-de-loops, flowers twirled like ballerinas, and lakes shimmered with giggly ripples. Suddenly, "Ert!" The gears jammed. The dial blinked. System pause. No new dreams detected. Ansh blinked. "No dreams?" "Not on my watch." He pulled out his compass. It spun once, then glowed bright. Ansh closed his eyes and imagined a waterfall of wind chimes, a thundercloud that sings riddles, a sun that winks when it rises. The gears chirped. The dream engine purred. The cloud soared higher, sprinkling ticklish sunshine and lullaby-wrapped moonbeams. As the cloud drifted away, it left a trail of sky puffs spelling, "Thanks, Dream Scout!" Ansh floated down, compass warm in his hand, and heart full of sky tickling wonder. Because sometimes, to keep the weather dreaming, you just need a compass, a little courage, and a boy who listens to the clouds. If you dance through the dream, like, share, and subscribe to the team.